Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the video. Today we are going to review Mi Band 4. Xiaomi Mi Band 4 with 20 days battery life, advanced fitness features, color AMOLED panel. Launched. The Mi Band 4 has been launched in China. Xiaomi's latest fitness tracker offers a colored AMOLED display, 6-axis accelerometer sensor, big battery and more. There is also an Avengers edition of the Mi Band. After a series of rumors and leaks, Xiaomi has finally launched the Mi Band 4 in China. The fitness band offers advanced fitness features and demands a wallet-friendly price. Some of the key highlights of the Mi Band 4 are 6-axis accelerometer sensor, a big battery, colored AMOLED display and more. The newly launched Xiaomi Mi Band is not only smarter, but also stylish. Furthermore, one can also choose from the list of wristband options that the Chinese company has launched. The NFC version of the tracker also offers support for Alibaba's Alipay. Xiaomi Mi Band 4 price. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is priced in China at RMB 169, approximately Rs 1,700. This price is for the standard edition of the latest Mi Band. Moreover, the NFC variant is priced at RMB 229, approximately Rs 2,300. Customers can also go for the Mi Band 4 Avengers Series Limited Edition, which is priced at RMB 349, approximately Rs 3,500. This edition comes with 3 distinct bangs, Marvel superhero watch faces, and a special Marvel Avengers package. The latest smart wristband from Xiaomi will go on sale in China from June 16th. Xiaomi Mi Band 4 features. Unlike Mi Band 3, the newly launched Mi Band 4 offers a 0.95-inch color AMOLED 2.5D display with 120x 240 pixels resolution. The fitness band also offers support for touch inputs. It comes with a built-in microphone to enable voice commands. The Mi Band features a 6-axis accelerometer sensor, which helps monitor physical activities while on the move. The band can monitor physical activities like cycling, swimming, exercise, running and walking. Furthermore, the fitness tracker is 5 ATM rated and it can reportedly identify a bunch of swimming strokes, including freestyle, mixed style, breaststroke, backstroke and butterfly. As mentioned above, there is also a payment mode on the device. The process is really easy as one just needs to swipe the screen to show a QR code on the Mi Band 4. Moreover, with the latest Mi Band 4, you can find the smartphone or switch the music track with one tap. Similarly, customers will also be able to check live weather and stock updates. As per the Chinese company, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 can deliver 20 days of battery life on a single charge, which is huge. Interested buyers will also get different color options for the strap, including blue, black, brown, orange and pink. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and subscribe the channel.